If you're not using TikTok to build up your brand, you're missing out on one of the biggest, one of the most insane tricks in the dropshipping world. Everybody thinks you have to be an expert at advertising on Facebook or other social media platforms. Well, in fact, TikTok you can do for absolutely free, completely organically, and bring hundreds of thousands to millions of people to the product you're trying to sell in an instant. And today what I'm going to do is discuss the strategy that I use to make viral videos of the products I want to sell on TikTok. So the number one thing that I do is I buy very cheap, you can get it off any site, okay? Buy some lighting. You can see on my face right now I've got lighting. When you're selling a product on TikTok, no one wants to see shadows, no one wants to see it looking a bit dull. You want lighting making it look enhanced. Now, a huge tip is if you don't want to buy lighting, just go outside. Outside is the best lighting you can get for any video you ever do. Lighting is extremely important on any video, I promise you that. The next tip is your hook. You have the lighting right, but now you need a hook for your product. It can be absolutely anything. For example, I just made $57,000 in 1 hour. I'm pretty sure if you heard that, you're gonna try your best to watch that video and learn how I just made that much money. Now, is it true? I hope that people only make videos that are true. I know I do. Okay, I didn't make $56,000 in 1 hour just then, by the way, but that is a good hook. Another example, this product changed my life forever. It's another way that someone's gonna be hooked in. You need a hook, guys, to get people engaged in your video. You are absolutely welcome, just like I do, to use AI tools like ChatGPT to find hooks. Put in what your product is, put in examples of hooks, even use the examples I just used, and then add them into ChatGPT. That will help you guys, all right? You can even ask them to write a script. You can ask them whereabouts outside. AI is the future, and we should use that for our TikTok algorithm. So that's my method, guys. I get good lighting, a good hook, and the rest of it just follows, all right? As long as you found that winning product. Now, how can you know if you are on the right track? If you're getting hundreds of people in saying, I want to buy this product, you're gonna need a fulfillment center. You're gonna need some professionals that can help you with that side of the journey. Now, fulfillment is probably the best out there, guys. It's not just me saying that, it's everybody on YouTube. You can go on, type in dropshipping, type in anything, they will be talking about fulfillment because they guarantee a delivery date. They help you with a brand. They guarantee support for you in every single way going through the dropshipping business, guys. So if you want to get involved with them, you simply hit that link underneath, get a free call with them, say, hey, George sent me and he said you can guarantee me full support on my dropshipping business, and they will discuss that with you. Okay, so get using TikTok. It's organic, it's huge, it's big, and it's ready to sell your product. As long as you have the best lighting and as long as you have an incredible hook, you're gonna go faster, guys. Hit that like button, hit subscribe button, bell, you're notified, and I'll see you next time.